Alright, so this is what we worked on all day today. We got the frame painted, we got the inside of the cab painted, and we got the control arms, most of them painted. We're going to take them off and paint them and change the bushings out and everything like that, put some coilovers on it, but we'll wait for when the coilovers get in.
Old frame rusted, seen its better days. 2 green berets in the garage, set ablaze. Sandpaper in hand, dreams in the haze. OBS Chevy, rebirth, new phase. Sick week calling, gotta make it shine. Dragon drive dreams, engine in line. Brotherhood forged, steel intertwined. From the ground up, this truck's divine. LS engine gleaming, rebuild tight. Turbo dreams, whisper in the dead of night. Wrenches turn, bolts lock, sparks ignite. Frame painted black, future so bright. Grit in our souls, grease on our hands. Built for the strip, we take our stand. Every challenge met, every mile planned. OBS Chevy, born to command. From the camshaft grind to the custom tune. Late nights working under the moon. Blood, sweat, gears in perfect tune. Victory smells like burnt rubber perfume.
How's this day going so far?
Beautiful day, Florida. That's it.
We're like a quarter of the way done painting the front. Maybe. Yeah, like a solid 8.
Late nights working under the moon. Blood, sweat, gears in perfect tune. Victory smells like burnt rubber perfume. Sick week calling, gotta make it shine. Dragon drive dreams, engine in line. Brotherhood forged, steel intertwined. From the ground up, this truck's divine. We calling, I gotta make it shine. Dragon drive dreams, engine in line. Brotherhood forged, steel intertwined. From the ground up, this truck's divine. This truck's divine. Old frame rusted, seen its better days. 2 green beretties in the garage, set ablaze. Sandpaper in hand, dreams in the haze. OBS Chevy, rebirth, new phase. Sick week calling, gotta make it shine. Dragon drive, dreams, engine in line. Brotherhood forged, steel intertwined. From the ground up, this truck's divine. LS engine gleaming, rebuild tight. Turbo dreams whisper in the dead of night. Wrenches turn, bolts lock, sparks ignite. Frame painted black, future so bright. Grit in our souls, grease on our hands. Built for the...
Alright, so this is what we worked on all day today. We got the frame painted, we got the inside of the cab painted, and we got the control arms, most of them painted. We're going to take them off and paint them and change the bushings out and everything like that, put some coilovers on it, but we'll wait for when the coilovers get in for that. So this is what she looks like so far. She's all painted in, pretty good. We're going to a manual steering box here. That's why we didn't paint that, but we've got a lot of it painted. Everything that we'll take off we'll paint again, just to double up, like the lower control arm, upper control arm, changing the ball joints out and doing coilovers. For right now, we're thinking about painting all of this black. Also, we want to do inside the fenders black. Everything inside there black. I think it'll look better. This is what it looks like inside the cab. All blacked out. There's only one coat. Missed a couple spots up in there, but that should be all underneath the dash. We won't see that. But everything's pretty much blacked out in here. Try to stop the rust. That's where we're at on the back right now. Gonna go to the split mono leaf here. I already have the cow tracks on it. Just go to split mono leaf. We'll run a shock bar across the back and a anti-roll bar across the front for that, and doing a rear radiator mount. Right now this is all about the painting of the frame and getting that all ready. We did all underneath it also. All of those areas. That's what it looks like on the inside over here. Like I said, we were thinking about painting all the door jambs black, all inside there black, all of this black with the same paint. We didn't go too crazy. We just got some tough coat from Krylon. That's what we're working with right there. We'll redo the disc brakes on the front, take the calipers off, clean up all that. That's a later future project. When we get the coilovers, we'll do that all at the same time. Quick little update on the truck. Try to do this a little bit more, talk some more, figure out some more for you guys, so that way we can let you guys know what we're going through and the difficulty we're going through. Next video is probably going to be fixing this. We're going to tear this whole engine down, put everything on it, redo. It's got Gen 4 internals. It's a 5.3 stock block. I have some 317 heads we're putting on this with some BTR springs coming. It has a sloppy stage 2 cam in it. We're doing all of the gaskets, resealing up the whole engine, painting the block black, removing all of this. We're going electric water pump and only running on alternator, no longer having the power steering. And we're gonna just put all of this back together, get it ready, bag it, just get that out of the way for our next project we're gonna work on is transmission. But so you'll see this in the next episode, future episodes. Right now, we're all about this. And that'll be our next episode. Probably will be working on the engine next week. Engine. And then start stabbing that in there, mocking it all up, getting everything done that we need to get done, and continue trugging away. Goal is November. We should be trying to hit the dyno in November. That's the goal, with somewhere around, I don't know, we'll figure out those numbers later, but right now we're thinking somewhere around November we should be hitting the dyno. Getting some street miles on it, getting some track miles on it, and then sick week 2026. That's our goal.
Chevy, the heart of the team. Boosted ambition, ain't no stopping the drive. Sick weeks calling, watch the legends arrive.